Well, here's a one-off. Don't do many blunderbusses because you just don't get the inert blunderbusses available for this, but here we have it. So now to test it. If you enjoy the content, don't forget, like, subscribe and click the notification bell. So normal practice with my blank firers, I strongly recommend that you rest the striker on a spent cartridge, and the reason for that is it takes the stress out of the spring and doesn't damage the breech, which is the most vulnerable part, because it's got a full stroke there to allow for that. So that is the operation procedure. Thanks guys.